Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
La yo jingtem ba Uwei Khynnah upana kene ke jala Meghalaya ubla lej pulie shaka jala Karnataka ulayap nakadaw ka jingat bi hakabam kat kum ke jingtep la Ïathuh ba Uwei Khynnah udai beltep kerteng kum Sunday kerlang ubana ka shnong lendam ka shnong ka bejingai tangkat tu kat ni kilometer na penusla Uwei Khynnah ubalik puli hak jaka puli ka belatep kum ka Gokul Educational Institute ka badan hak shnong di Kagepura kabahap Hamandia district jong jela Karnataka bantip khambania ekani unang lum khubor jong parti CTV ulayo banyakran link ba ka telefon badu superintendent of police jong Mandia district usri Ïathuh and IPS USP Ïathuh bakidon palat shispa Ngut Kiba yo pang bat nakini sau phuai Ngut kide ki Khynnah school bat riu phuai Ngut pat kibala he Ïathuh banaki sau phuai Ngut ar pesawat kide ki Khynnah Kiba na Meghalaya uloong baka jingkem pang ki Khynnah kadai nakadaw ka ba namar balasam yaki dakabam ka balasa bat ka balatam kentai nakajingya bam khawai holi ha ka wi ka jaka uloong ru bana padeng ki papang Uwei ula khlat no bat Uwei pat haduk menta udang dan ha ICU bat ubadang dan ha ICU ru udeu Khynnah ubana Meghalaya hi shu SP Ïathuh ba ka ni ka school kamdan satya ya ka license banbu ya ka hostel bat kadai ka hostel ka bala shule BI kumtaw laong bagi pulit jong ka Mandia district Karnataka kila kemya utrai jong ka restoran uba penpoi bam bat arngot kinong penya jong ka school kala don ru ka jingkeno ba kini ki Khynnah kibana Meghalaya kidai kibala yalam sha Karnataka daka Rashtriya Swayam Sevak Sangh lani ka RSS kumtaw niu nong lum khubor ulayo banyakran link ba ka telefon ba kinoy lam jong ka RSS ba kenthop yo Pradip Thakur bat Pravin Shiwale kini kila ong bakim datep ha shapang kata ka jingja kumta kila ai de ki phone number jong kinong kershan jong ka RSS na kini ke jela ha ka bang ila yo banyakran da ka telefon bat uba paunam khongsni bat uni no yalam ru ula pha sada Uwei pat unam bu phone banyakran bat uba mani maupan hanre habaya kran ba uba mani maupan ula ong ba kwa banyakran shapang kata ka jingja namar ba deitang kitra yeng ki ba mat ya ka jingja ki ba tep ha ya kata bat ula ajing mut bakan biang palat banyakran bat kitra yeng ka ba mut ki kimi ki pa jong Khynnah ubayam hadu ba penmi yakni khubor ka bati CTV kadang buat dien shu yakni ki jingja
food poisoning.
Yeah.
Yeah. He was one among the 24 students from Meghalaya.
Yes.
They were studying in this school.
Yes.
And though it has the permission for running school, but no permission for hostel facility.
Yes.
But still they were accommodated here, unauthorized day.
Yes.
So on 14th after Holy celebration,
Yes.
some leftover food was distributed to these people, to these kids.
Yes.
So all the students who have eaten that food, they went ill. And yesterday morning, that one guy, Kerlong, he died.
Yeah.
And other 23 from Meghalaya and other 18 from Karnataka, they are also undergoing treatment. They are in MIMS, Mandia Institute of Medical Science, Mandia Hospital.
Yes.
One is in, just they have shifted one student to the Apollo Hospital, Mysore. So in the public also altogether, some 61 public also, they are also got some infection and some pain inside the stomach.
Yes.
They are also admitted. Altogether, more than 100 people, they are affected by this. And, so 41 are students and 61 are elder. They are all stable. Only one student is in ICU.
Yes.
We are taking care of him also. He is also from Meghalaya.
Okay.
Just we are taking care of him, and even our chief minister and chief secretary, they are also regularly monitoring the situation. So we'll take care of them, everything. And yesterday we have handed over the body to one of his brother, the guy who died.
Yeah.
So,
They left Karnataka, means.
They left Karnataka. Yeah, we have arrested 3 people in this regard. One is the hotel owner, and 2 are the in education institute heads. So we have arrested 3 persons. We are investigating deep into the matter. especially how the food is prepared and where that poison thing came into picture. Yeah, we will investigate that in detail.
Yes.